Guys, go with me as I go to London. It's my first time using a train, so today I'm just going to London and I'm gonna use a train. There's somewhere that I'm going and I want to try and see what can be to use a train. Let's go together and see. Right now I'm just gonna take a bus and we move. Yeah, stay with me. Right guys, ndasvika pa train station, Peterborough train station. I'm gonna ndopandava Peterborough train station right now. Peterborough train station. Saka ya ndakuda kutenga ticket kuti ndiende. Munhu andofamba nayanga ambononoka zvake, kunonoka munhu wacho kunonoka kuya. Saka guys, it's my first time. I'm so excited. It's my first time to use a train. I've never used a train, so yeah, let me see. My ticket. I got my ticket, so I'm not so sure. I'm told this one is going to I'm not so sure. I'll see. But this, it's like I'm gonna change to get another ticket as well. So this is a day ride for the train. I told you I've never used a train before. This is my first time me using a train. So yeah, I'm so excited and looking forward to this. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's go for it. So I'm still waiting for my baby girl who's still paying there. She's still paying. Yeah, let's see how it is and how it goes. I hope we get the trains and to get to our destination in time. So Tabepa train station, Tamira train us, and it's London King's Cross. Here is one of the trains here. We're doing a train-ish. I don't know where it's going actually, but we are just I think they said something. There are a lot of people. There are quite a lot of people waiting for the same train here. So yeah, guys, let's have the experience together and see how it goes. Right, our train is here. Yeah, so let's get it. This way. Let's go there. We wait here.
I wonder if I can take the train changing. Just speak to the trainman and grab the back.
We are now at Peterborough.
Yeah, we are here now. Yes. I think let's do it. Yeah. Close the door. Wait, do you want to say it?
London King's Cross.
Where?
Do you want for this table?
Yeah. So let's take this. Where there's a table at least. So yes, we are in. So this is the train, guys. Yes. I'll show you when it moves now so that you can see how it goes. This is the train. Right, guys, the train is now moving. The train is now going. Let's go together. Let's go together.
2 weeks ago?
So it's saying from here, Peterborough to London is just 1 hour. So yeah, I think just going to have 1 hour of enjoying ourselves in the train. So this train here, it's something that we are always trying to say, Zimbabwe needs to have something like this. In the train, guys, look at it, we've got a table. You see? We've got a table. So we are sitting very comfortable. Yes. So if the Chinese can go back to their country, yeah, we have our country back, guys. We can be able to tell me, guys, do we still have these railway stations? No, rails in Zimbabwe. Do we still have these railways in Zimbabwe? I don't think we do have. Look at this. They are well serviced every time. We are in there. It's going.
Well, it's just very new.
We're in there.
At some point we'll have to go over. I think you're meant to leave it a year or something until...
Where are you going? Okay. Why?
Hello.
No, I was never going to show you something. Okay.
King's Cross.
It's actually quite
You see? We are going.
We will call at London King's Cross.
And it's not full. The train is not full, so yeah, we're very much comfortable in here. Yes, guys. This is something that our government is denying us. This is something that our government is denying us. You see? Because this is a well-kept mode of transport whereby anybody can, if you can just have this, you know, even operating from Bulawayo to Gweru, Harare, Bulawayo, Harare, you know, 1 hour, 30 minutes, you know, and they are very a convenience to everyone, but the government is denying this. So yeah, it's one of those. We just say it as it is. But anyway,
Well, everyone's running out of Peterborough. I'm Shepherd Trade Manager. You have just joined us. This in your book sits taking a travel ticket, you put confirmation. If you want to take out, does not require a reservation. Some unreserved seating can be found covered C. Refreshments are available in food baskets of anything called G. First class ticket holds a complimentary offer is provided.
I couldn't see anything about
Next week, Pond Stone King's Cross Went train. Germany, its estimated time of arrival into London approximately 9:50. The regional
What was that? In school, you do.
We have a bin there, which was fancy, then it gets taken out of the bin and moved down.
Well, at least you had a bin when we were in sports, and you'd literally just have it and stick it up.
That's only my dad's invention. He's just got a bin
fair.
himself.
now the train is in full mode now, guys. Look at this. The train is now moving like fast. We are now in the flying mode. You can see, right?
And then I used my work card yesterday, fine.
You can see, right?